Do insects understand our language? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal telepathic communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species telepathically. And in this video, I wish to share with you my interactions and communications with insects, because oftentimes people feel that insects may not be able to understand what we are talking to them. Remember that telepathy is a language in itself, and nature at large uses this language extensively. So we don't have to learn or teach them that language, it is innate in them. We just have to reconnect to it and then start talking to them in that language. All of nature is adept at the language of telepathy, which is transfer of information to thoughts, feelings, intentions, and emotions. Just like we understand each other's emotions and energies, they understand that too, and that's how we communicate with them. And I want to bring this point out by a recent communication I've had. So I'm at my farm, as you can see, and I have a lot of beautiful wildlife here, right from trees, plants, to insects, to birds, and even other animals. So it's a great ecology we have. We have even snakes here, and it's a beautiful place to be. And one night I was just sitting in my drawing room, all ready to go to sleep, and I could hear an insect really loud outside, and I was reading something, and that voice was constantly disturbing me. So I didn't know which insect it was, I didn't know how it looked, I didn't know anything about it. I simply set an intention to connect with the insect that I could hear, and I requested the insect to either lower their volume or move a little away so that I can read, because I am being a little disturbed. And I requested the insect to do it. I didn't order or command it. I was polite. It was a humble request, and I was willing to get up and go to my room in case the insect said no to my request as well. And as soon as I did that, the insect said all right, just said all right, and the next second the insect just stopped shouting, and I could read the last chapter of my book that I was reading very calmly and then go to sleep. So there is no difference between any species that we speak to telepathically. The entirety of nature understands the language of telepathy. So as long as you don't bring these mind blocks to yourself, you too will be able to speak to any species, any element of nature telepathically, by just setting that intention and ensuring that there is a lot of respect and humility in your hearts when you connect and speak to them. I hope you enjoyed listening to my experience and watching this video, and until the next one, bye bye.